The smart home market is full of generic Wi-Fi plugs that promise convenience but often fall short when it comes to flexibility, local control, and developer-friendly features. That's where Refoss steps in, a new brand with a clear mission, empowering advanced users with tools that go beyond plug and play. Their debut lineup includes the Refoss P11S Open API Smart Plug, a compact yet powerful smart plug designed with energy monitoring, home assistant integration, and full API support from day one. Unlike mainstream alternatives such as Meros, Refoss products are tailored to power users, makers, and smart home enthusiasts who want control without cloud lock-in. The P11S tracks power consumption in real time, with hourly exports and cloud-based statistics. This is perfect for monitoring appliances like heaters, dryers, or any high-draw device. Refoss P11S works natively with Home Assistant, giving you instant access to automation, dashboards, and smart energy tracking. It's a plug that fits perfectly into any privacy-focused smart home setup. The Refoss P11S Open API Smart Plug is a rare gem in the smart plug market. By combining open developer access, real-time energy monitoring, home assistant compatibility, and customizable protections, it strikes the perfect balance between everyday practicality and advanced control. If you've been frustrated with the limitations of mainstream smart plugs, the P11S might be exactly what you've been waiting for.